So how does the Merch by Amazon work? Well, basically when you sign up for an account and you got accepted, then you are allowed to upload design and make mockups and templates and add the design to a t-shirt and see what it looks like. And if you like the look of it, then add a product description using some keywords and you post it. Then it gets submitted to the Merch by Amazon approval team. And if it's all good, it gets posted on the Merch by Amazon website. We all know people are browsing Amazon 24/7. And you can make sales any time of the day once that product has been submitted. And every time if you make a sale, you earn a small amount of money that you set yourself, which is based on a percentage of the overall product price that you set as well. Your royalties are paid monthly. You will start with a very small royalties. It will take a while to get started, but have patience and be consistent. Obviously, you will start earning good amount of money passively through this Merch by Amazon business.